Hello everyone, my name is Eshoo and I serve as the crime analyst here at the Dearborn Heights Police Department. Today we're going to be talking about a new informatics system released by Clemis and how you can access crime data specifically regarding your geographical area from the comfort of your very own home. With Clemis' new informatics system, you are able to choose what type of incidents you are looking at, such as burglaries, robberies, homicides, and so on, as well as a time frame up to 6 months. And then, of course, whichever area you are specifically looking at, whether that be the entire city, such as Dearborn Heights, or a specific area that you want outlined within certain parameters. Regarding this, you're able to look at specific reports containing the time the incident occurred, the day, the city, as well as the report number. On top of this, Clemis provides specific data that allows the breakdown of the date, a pie chart showing how often these incidents occurs, as well as the time of day. With that, Clemis also offers a great informatics system regarding specific alerts that you can sign up for in terms of a 1 square mile geographical area of your choosing. From then on, any other further questions that you may have, Clemis has a phone number right on their website, as well as contacting your local police department for additional crime data. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I'll also have my email and contact information in this as well. So thank you, and I hope you use this to the best of your abilities.